Have you ever wanted to copy and paste all or part of your illustration when you use the IBSPaint X? But I don't know how to do it. Some people may think so. In IBSPaint X, there are various copy and paste methods. In this video, I will explain how to copy and paste. The easiest way to copy and paste is to duplicate layers and folders. If you want to duplicate a layer, select Duplicate Layer from the Layer menu as shown in this image. If you select a folder, tap Add Layer from Folder from the Layer menu. If you want to add a layer that is a copy of the entire illustration, select Add Layer from Canvas. If you want to know more about this layer duplication, please check the related video on the upper right. If you want to copy and paste part of a layer, use the lasso tool first. Enclose the place you want to copy with the lasso tool. Then go to the Layer menu with the lasso tool turned on, and select Duplicate Layer. Then only the part surrounded by the lasso tool will be copied and pasted. If you want to know more about the lasso tool, please check the related video on the upper right. Copy pen can be used to copy part of a photo or illustration to another place. This tool is convenient to duplicate specific areas, restore photos, or erase unneeded areas. Open Tool Select window and tap Special Pen. Open the Special Pen window and select one of the three copy pens. I choose the copy pen move this time. Move copy area to the place where you want to copy and adjust the thickness to change the size of the copy area. You can make copies by adjusting copy zoom and digital copy angle from the settings as you like. Thank you for watching this video. If this video is interesting, please push a like button. Also, if you ask questions in the comment section, it will be answered as soon as possible. Depending on the content, I may post new videos for answering your doubts and comments. So please subscribe to Animembo and set notifications for this. There are many people who watch the videos and don't register. So I will be very happy if you help me to grow. See you again in the next video.